Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Cancers, we are picking these cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, Cancers, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So you can stay tuned for that, guys. So let's see what are these cards. We have 8 of cups in reverse, King of wands and Queen of cups. So Cancers, in your situation, it may be in your work situation or in your relationship, you are someone who is really honest, trustworthy, reliable person and friendly. People see you as a good friend who supports and guides them, and you are someone really cool to hang out with. People really you are very friendly, easy to go with kind of a person. So people love your company, so they love to be with you, and that may be true even with this person you love, and they see you as someone really honest, trustworthy, reliable, and they are also devoted to you guys. So this person also loves you and they are devoted to you, and both of you share mutual love, understanding, trust, and there is happiness and joy in this connection, in this relationship. And I see things are going in a positive way in this relationship, guys. Maybe for some of you, you are moving towards a deeper commitment, maybe engagement or marriage with this person you love. So some positive happenings or some positive circumstances are unfolding for you in this love, in this connection. And with this person you have a beautiful understanding, guys. You are devoted to each other, you share a great intimacy, great bond with each other, and even in your career situation things are going in a very positive way, a smooth sailing. That is what I would say in your relationship and in your career situation. Everything is going as you expected for yourself. Things are going in a very positive way for you guys, maybe in your projects or whatever work related choices you make. You are seeing happiness and success, and in this relationship also you share that mutual love, respect and caring for each other, and things are going in a very positive way for you guys. And I also see that there is a greater joy or greater happiness unfolding for you. So it may be marriage or a deeper commitment with this person. So some positive things are here for you guys, Cancers. That is what I see with these cards, Cancers. If you want more clarity, guys, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So whichever card you want to choose, you can first close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first, so that way the reading may resonate, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start with this card. Let's see what it is. I'll keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, we have the Little Mermaid, sacrifice. So with this card, guys, it just means that you are in a particular circumstance trying to change yourself, making a huge sacrifice. maybe for someone you love, and you are not listening to your inner voice. Maybe you are doing something which you love to do, but at what cost? It is giving you a lot of pain, a lot of troubles. You are not happy with the changes you are making for this person or for this circumstance, but still you are doing it. You are thinking maybe only by doing this sacrifice you are going to show your love to that other person. But you can show your love to that other person, maybe your true concern to the other person, but at what cost? That is what is the question here, guys. So something which you cannot change or which you cannot do, there is a limit for anything and everything. So that is the meaning with this card. So you are making some sacrifice that is really painful, that is like simply giving up your own voice or your heart's desire. So you are changing everything for this person you love or for this circumstance, and in the long run it is not going to make you happy. So this sacrifice should be made with happiness, but if it is not made happily, then it is surely going to give you a lot of pain in the future, guys. So that is what this card is about. So you need to realize that the love which you feel you cannot work out, it's better you can be away from that love instead of doing impossible things to keep it, impossible things to have that love. So you need to understand that, guys, and you need to be aware of relationship which demands a huge sacrifice. Is it really worth it? So you need to take a important decision today. You need to see whether you need to sacrifice so much for this love. So it is all in your hands now, guys. Maybe if you feel it is worth it, you can go ahead. If it is not, you have to think twice, guys, before making the next move in this relationship for this love. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this second card, it is Archangel Raphael. So whenever we get an angel card, it just means that angels are here guiding us, guys. And this card stands for healing, guys. Healing at all levels, mentally, physically, emotionally, and spiritually. So this angel ensures safety in our travels and guiding us and assisting us in our day-to-day life and helping us to choose a healthy lifestyle for ourselves. Maybe if you are interested in meditation, you can take it up, guys. It is going to help you a lot. Or if you are planning to do some changes in your routine, maybe taking up a healthy habit like exercising or dieting, something which is a health oriented habit, you can do it. And also you need to heal even at the mental level. So whatever stress you are having, you are the one who can heal yourself. So this angel is assisting you in that. So if you need physical healing, you can go ahead. If you need emotional healing, you need to take the first step towards healing, guys. So that is what this card is about. And this angel is here guiding us towards our spiritual and physical growth. So that is the energy with this card. So you are already in the path of healing, maybe from the past relationship or from whatever stress you are having, or maybe some physical healing. Maybe you are recovering from some kind of an illness, or you are in some kind of illness and you are on the path to recovery. So that is the reading with this card. So this angel's guidance will help us, assist us in a healthy, happy lifestyle, free of stress, and it is going to heal us in all levels, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So that is the reading for y'all, guys, with both the cards. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.